Today I'm going to show you exactly how to put multiple pages under one page on WordPress. We're starting in the WordPress dashboard, and there's no plugin or custom code needed for any of this. Click Pages in the left sidebar, then click Add New. The editor opens with the title field at the top. Type Services in that title field. I'm using Services because the parent should be a clear category, and this title becomes the first part of every child page's URL. Below the title, click the block area and add a heading that says what we offer. Under that, type a short paragraph. You don't need much content here, but don't leave the page empty because WordPress will still publish it, but the page will look blank on the front end. Now click the blue Publish button in the top right. The button will change and a confirmation will appear. This services page is now the parent. Now let's create the first child page. Click Pages in the left sidebar, then Add New. Type Web Design in the title. Add a sentence or two of content. Before you hit Publish, look at the right sidebar. If you're in the block editor, you'll see a tab called Page, and inside it a section called Page Attributes. If you're on the older Classic editor, the same Page Attributes box sits below the content area, not in the sidebar. Open the Parent dropdown. It currently says No Parent. Choose Services. This is the step that actually puts web design under services, so do it before publishing and the permalink comes out right the first time. I always set the parent at this point. Now click Publish. When the page saves, look under the title. The permalink should show your domain.com/services/webdesign. That tells you the hierarchy took. Let's add the remaining 3 pages. Pages, Add New. Title SEO Services, Add Content. In the parent dropdown, select Services, Publish. The permalink now shows your domain.com/services/SEO services. I'll create social media marketing next. Pages, Add New. Title Social Media Marketing, Parent Services, Publish. Then one more. Pages, Add New. Title Consulting, Parent Services, Publish. All 4 child pages now have services as their parent. If you have a long list of services, just repeat the same sequence and keep the parent consistent. Now let's check the hierarchy. Click Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. The pages list shows services at the top. Depending on your WordPress version, child pages may appear indented below services with a dash in front of the title, where the parent name might show in a column. This is the fastest place to spot a page that did not get the right parent. I'll open Web Design. In the right sidebar, the parent field still shows services. The permalink under the title reads your domain.com/services/webdesign. That confirms the page is correctly nested under the parent. Now, one thing that trips people up. Setting a page as a child does not automatically create a drop-down in your navigation menu. The hierarchy affects the page URLs and the All Pages screen, but your site's menu is separate, so we need to organize the menu next. The exact route depends on whether you're on a block theme or a classic theme. If you are on a block theme, click Appearance in the left sidebar, then click Editor. The site editor opens to your home template. Click Patterns, then Template Parts, then Header. That opens the header template part. Click the navigation block to select it. If Services is not in the menu yet, click the plus button inside the navigation block and search for the Services page. Add it. Then add the child pages the same way. Once they're all in the menu, click the 3 horizontal lines icon in the top toolbar to open List View. You'll see every link listed. Find Web Design. Drag it slightly to the right underneath Services. It will indent. That indent is what makes it a submenu item. Then drag SEO Services under Services, and do the same for Social Media Marketing and Consulting. Click Save in the top right. Now let's view the site. Hover over Services in the header. The drop-down appears with all 4 child pages. If your screen has Appearance and then Menus instead of Editor, that's a classic theme. Click Appearance, then Menus. If you don't have a menu yet, click Create a new menu. Name it Main Menu. Before you save, look for the Display Location panel and tick Primary Menu, because that is the one the theme shows in the header. On the left, under Pages, tick Services, Web Design, SEO Services, Social Media Marketing, and Consulting. Click Add to Menu. Now in the menu structure on the right, drag each child page slightly to the right underneath Services. WordPress indents the child items. The indentation is what turns them into a drop-down. Click Save Menu. Now view the site, hover over Services, and the child pages appear in a drop-down. If you already have pages created, you don't need to create them again. Click Pages, then All Pages. Open the page you want to move. In the right sidebar, find Parent. It might say No Parent or some other page. Open the drop-down and choose Services. Click Update. The page is now part of that hierarchy, and its permalink changes to include the new parent. One warning before you do this on a live page. If that page has been indexed by search engines or shared anywhere, the old URL stops working. You need to plan for that, usually with a redirect or by updating the links. To pull a page back out from under a parent, open the child page. In Parent, change it to None, or the topmost option that means No Parent. Click Update. The page goes back to the top level. Its URL loses the parent segment. Now remember, the navigation menu is separate, so if that page is still in a drop-down, you have to remove it from the submenu yourself. Removing the parent setting does not delete the page, and it does not touch the menu. WordPress can do deeper nesting. Say you want WordPress design under web design. Create a new page called WordPress design. Set its parent to web design, not services. Publish. Its URL becomes example.com/services/webdesign/WordPress design. In the All Pages list, you'll see WordPress design indented under web design, which is itself indented under services. That's 3 levels. It works, but don't go overboard. 2 or 3 levels is fine. Anything deeper gets hard to use, especially when someone taps through the drop-down on a phone. After moving pages around, check the permalinks. Open services and look at the permalink under the title. It ends in /services. Open web design. It should be /services/webdesign. If you change a parent later, every child page's URL changes with it. So if a page is already receiving traffic, check the permalink before you make the change. The built-in URL preview under the title is the quickest way to confirm. Now let's do one extra check in the pages list. Keep the page name short and descriptive. The title becomes the menu label and the URL slug, so a long page name like Our Full Range of Website Design Services turns into a long, clumsy URL. Short names like web design work better and stay readable in the menu. And when you have more than a few links, use List View in the navigation block. The 3 horizontal lines in the top toolbar opens it, and dragging items in that panel is much easier than trying to drag them directly in the header preview. Then test the menu on a phone. Open the site in a mobile preview or on your actual device. Tap Services. On a touchscreen, the submenu has to open and stay open long enough for someone to tap a child page. If it closes too fast, the hierarchy is correct, but the mobile menu behavior still needs checking. That's the step most people skip after saving. If this got your pages organized, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.